In this video, we will learn how to set up security camera in iCam365 app. I'm showing to set up the camera in Android phone, and the process is same for Apple iPhone. So our first step would be to install the app. So to install the app, go to Play Store. So write iCam365 app and then install. Complete setup. We do not need to add any credit or debit card, so skip. Now it's installing. Yes, install is done. Now open the app, agree. Now if you have the account, then you can log in, but if you don't have, then create one. So click create one. Now enter your email address or phone number and they will send a verification code. So I'm entering my email address. And now they will send a verification code, so get a code. Now I need to check my email address. So verification code is sent. Yes, here is the verification code. So the code is 995759. This is one time code, so it's 995759. Now next. So next, now we need to set a password, so I'm setting a password. Now done. So complete, confirm. So our account creation is done. Now just log in with my email address. So please log in, sign in. So login. Yes, the account creation is done. Now we will add the security camera in this app. So to add the camera, so this is the power cable and power adapter. So this part will go here, and the other side, this one will go here. Depending on your camera, it can go different places. Now this is, it can go the power source. So I'm giving the power source, power outlet.
Camera starts up. Wait for user config.
Yes, it's a user, wait for user config. Now what we need to do, click here, start. Now allow.
Please scan the QR code on the machine body.
Now we need to scan the QR code that is on the machine body. So this is the QR code. So scan it, just hold it this way. Yes, now it's identifying the device. So while using app,
Please select a Wi-Fi network for your device, enter a Wi-Fi password, and click Next.
now we need to enter the Wi-Fi name and its password. So I'm entering my Wi-Fi. This is my Wi-Fi, and I'm entering my Wi-Fi password. Now continue.
Show the QR code to the device camera.
Now this part is crucial. So this part is important. We need to hold this phone in front of the camera, like in front of this lens. So like this way, hold this way. Okay.
Receive configuration. Connect router.
It says received configuration, connect router. So I have here beeps from the device. So click this one and then click next.
Try to put the router, the mobile phone, and the device as close as possible.
Now,
Connect cloud server. Please wait.
yeah, it's connecting.
Device added successfully.
Yeah, it says device added successfully. So we can give a name for this device. So I'm giving test. Done. Now they are giving some offer, but I'm not interested, so decline the offer. Decline. Now click here, so you can see the, yeah, this is the camera. Okay, this is the camera. Now next question is how you can control the camera. So if you want to rotate left or right, so if you click here, it will rotate to left. If you click here, it will rotate to right. Yeah, did you see it's rotating right? Rotating right. If you click this one, it will rotate up. Yeah, this is. If you click this one, it will rotate down. And if you want to talk, then press and hold this button, then you can talk if someone is in front of the camera. And last thing is, you can also put micro SD card in the camera so that the video will save in the micro SD card, and the micro SD card slot is here. So this is the micro SD card. So take the micro SD card and insert here. If you insert micro SD card here, not this way, the other way, yes, now the video will save in the micro SD card. You can see also status here, SD card player, no memory card inserted, although it said, but it will change. So after inserting the memory card, you need to restart the camera. So if you restart the camera, then you can see your memory card status in here. So if you click settings, then you can see here memory card, so memory card, and you can see the status, it's loop recording, so it's recording now. If for some reason camera cannot read the QR code when we take in front of it, then reset the camera. So the reset button is here. So if you press and hold with this one, then it will be resetted. So press and hold, then you can see it will say the camera is
Reset successfully.
it says
Wait for camera rebooting.
it says reset successfully. Now if you try, then it will definitely connect. So that's it. Thanks for watching.